Alright, so on my way to South Carolina Happy Bees, going to pick up Mr. Sam, and we're going to pick up some queen cells. So we're taking a little road trip today, and already I've got issues this morning. So my brand new queen cell incubator that I bought at Hive Life, never used at all. I don't know if you're familiar with the 12-volt plugins, but 12-volt plugins, at least the old schools, had a screw-off cap that had a fuse in it, in the plug-in piece that you put into your cigarette lighter. Well, I went to plug mine in to test it out this morning, and it is missing. So don't know exactly what I'm gonna do about that. I have nothing right now because I've gone to the auto supply places, none of them had any that fit, and so we're just screwed right now. I'm probably gonna end up having to buy a new fitting to go on the end and reconnect it and all that stuff. So yeah, $200 for a queen cell incubator, and basically I got a toolbox with some cut foam in it right now. So if I can't warm it, I guess it'll at least hold the cells in place from rolling around. Don't know what to do on that. So it's gonna be interesting. Show you a couple of the sites that we got going on as we're pulling up to South Carolina Happy Bees. This person's turning in their driveway, and we're getting ready to turn in right here. Mr. Sam's probably out working his bees waiting on me, because I called him in almost 2 hours ago now, so he may not even be happy with me about that. So just pulling into Mr. Sam's yard here. It's got some, there he is on his little bee-mobile, is what I call it. And see what we can do here. He probably has something to fix it, but I don't. We'll see. All right, so this is the queen cell caddy I've got, and that's the problem right there. It has come off. I believe there's a spring that's typically down in there that is gone AFK. So I'm gonna have to find me one of these ends on Amazon or something and replace it already, and haven't even used it yet. So there you go. Awesome. All right, I've kidnapped Sam. What are we doing today, Sam?
We're going to Van and picking up some queen cells.
Queen cells. So we'll give y'all the walk around when we get there, and let y'all meet Octavio, and you know, it's our secret squirrel spot that we get stuff from. So yeah. So we're just driving through the country. We got 56 minutes to ride there, so I figured we would just chime in and let you know that we are on the way to get some queen cells. And me and Sam are gonna spend the next few hours talking bees, and too bad you guys couldn't be here, because it's a beautiful day and we're loving life and we're loving bees. So we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Y'all take care of yourselves out there now.
Yeah. 260 colonies. Look at that colony down there. You see all the bees just on the front of it?
Yeah, I was looking at the one he was just pulled up with the queen cells.
You see this one?
Starting.
Huh?
You see this one?
Oh no, I just see a box down there. It's got bees like on the front of them. You see them way down there? Like the middle row, or 1, 2, 3 in, but the middle box.
This time was a swarm in the beginning. Right?
Oh yeah, there's, when we were pulling up, it's swarm. It's
Me, I've never been able to grab. Never have. I tried once and it didn't work, so I ain't done it no more.
Tons and tons. Well, we need to get these bees back. So we're heading back. Are they looking for queens now?
They're looking for queens. They're making static for the grafting.
I'm gonna risk being stung to crap for viewers. You got a veil? That's the only thing. I'm pretty covered up other than that.
I've got 2, maybe 3 queens gonna hatch today. I think they didn't hatch last night. And we've got more to be hatched.
Just a few bees.
Okay.
Got the 2-gallon in-frame feeder. So that's the challenge. So many bees finding the queen, right?
Yeah.
Nice brood patterns. Look, they even veiled me up today, so I came unprepared. Don't let me hold you up, man. I'll just film whatever's coming. I know you got a ton of work. Apiary strips, same thing I use.
There you go.
Find her. Oh, yep, she's yellow dot. Right there. Very nice. All right, well, we're gonna have to head on. You got your Man Lake Ultra Bee patty right there. Is that your breeder queen? All right. It's double deeps right there. And I'm blocking them all up so they're not loving me right now. And be informed. Well, thank you so much for showing us around, and we'll see y'all on the next time we're out here. All right, see you later.
Wow. He's counting the cells if you want to take a...
Oh, he's counting cells?
I get to rub up, so feel free to rub up.
Okay, yeah, we're getting ready to leave. Where do you want me to leave your veil? On the table?
Yeah, the table, en la mesa que deje comer.
All right, he's counting cells down here. So let's come and bug him for YouTube. Hola.
Hola.
Oh, they're loving me. Look at me. Right in the flight plan right here. Let me move out of the way. I just got a cloud of them. There's bees everywhere. So he's lifting it up to make it easier to work. Over a double screen board, Snellgrove board. bees looking for swarm cells?
No English.
Oh, no English.
No.
Okay.
¿Tú Spanish?
No, no Spanish. Un poquito.
Oh, okay.
And uno más cerveza, por favor. There we go. There we go. Some cells. Oh, looks like one's coming out. Well, that was interesting. Look at all the bees on that frame. Gracias.
Okay.
All right, so there you have it. We got a little view. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop this veil back in here, and Sam and I gotta get back to town so we can. I got tons of bees following me at the moment, and we're gonna go in this building and try not to get stung. Not really aggressive, just flighty. Lots of flighty bees. We're gonna take this veil off they allowed me to borrow and take my dirt rooster cap back out of it, and we're gonna hit the road because we got to get the bees back. We got the dirt rooster hat, and I gotta edit video after we do this, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. Look, Sam found him a couple buddies.
I found 3 of them.
3 of them.
Yeah, 3 little ones.
That's some funny looking bees.
Huh?
That's some funny looking bees.
Yeah. This is the right color.
They're just taking all the love, huh? You want some loving?
Yeah. See, I could do that to my dog if my dog would stop trying to jump on me and tear my hands up and everything with them big feet.
Look, you pet them once and they're buddies for life. Irish setters?
Yeah, come here. Short stuff. I know you don't like them short.
All right, Mr. Sam, you ready to head out?
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Sam just brought out his emergency honey bottle.
Never know when I need energy.
We've gone up to the queen breeders, and Sam says, "Here, I want you to taste some of this." And he breaks out a bottle of honey. I'm like, "Really? You carry honey with you everywhere?"
Never know when you need it. I think it's got covered.
No.
Well, okay.
All right, I'm just gonna take a. Well, try to do it without.
Well, it's yours. You look what you want.
That's good honey, Sam.
Mm-hmm.
This came from the nursery bees.
The nursery and the farm kind of mixed together.
Very good honey. South Carolina honey.
Hot in South Carolina.
I don't know if I trust the jiggling. Well, you saw how they had them just in a box.
Yeah.
Look, I do own a smoker, and it's got fuel in it.
Put it behind that box and it'll be okay.
All right, we're just
Smoker won't drop up.
getting organized here.
Okay, we good now.
We're good to roll. So what'd you think about this, Sam?
I think it's a fantastic place. I think he's doing a wonderful job. And if I ever need any more, I'll come back.
I got trying to get through my.
Not the same direction that you did.
Hey, I just followed Google. Let's see, we're gonna follow Google back too.
Google.
All right, we're done there. Now we can put in home, and we can find out exactly how far this is from home.
Let me try something. 442. This says it's wrong. 442.
Home says it's 60 miles.
Okay. We're gonna go to.
Look, and it's got a different route to go than we had before.
No kidding.
Showing us a different route.
How's this showing us?
Like we thought we would have came to begin with.
Okay. But the way we came here this time, we ain't the right way.
Google had us Googling all over the place. We were going everywhere. So this place is really nice. It's out here in the country. Everybody's really nice. Willing to take some time. Sam, your glasses might fall off the dash there. Willing to take time to talk to you. Not a lot of time because they got work to do, you know, but they didn't mind me coming up there and looking at what's going on with the colonies. Yeah, you know, when I go to the store, I usually don't take a bee bale, but you know, bee store, when you're actually getting bees, that's a different story, I guess. But you heard them, they do 10,000 nucs a year on a bad year. It seems like 10,000. No, not bad, especially at the prices they give you. Yeah, he's got crews, and they all stay in these houses out here. All these little houses, these trailers and all, their crew stays out here. So they leave here in May, go back up to New York, and then they come back in October, I think he said. Start it all over again for the next year. So it's a good thing. And we'll get this video edited and uploaded, so please like, share, and subscribe to South Carolina Happy Bees, and of course Walker Bee Ranch, and we will see you guys a little bit later.